Hello friends, I am Dr. Chakravarti Pranav Kumar. You are viewing BNCMS study festivity. What you are going to see? आप लोग क्या देखने जा रहे हो बाबू? देखिए क्या है. This is the fourth episode of statistics. Statistics. So sorry friend, I have written over here economics. It is statistics 4. In the first 3 classes, I have discussed more or less the fundamentals of statistics, the meaning of statistics, statistics as a process, and the origin of statistics. जो मैंने ये 4 पार्ट आप लोगों को अच्छे तरह से क्लियर कर दिए. पहला मेरा जो क्वेश्चन था क्या था? अरे भाई हम इतना कष्ट करके सब्जेक्ट पढ़ेंगे सर, पढ़ेंगे नहीं, हम पढ़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता है सर, हमको फ्री फायर खेलना अच्छा लगता है, वो करना अच्छा लगता है, मौजी देखना अच्छा लगता है, शॉर्ट रील करने में अच्छा लगता है. बहुत बढ़िया, लेकिन भाई अभी सोचना तेरे को लगे कि नहीं. आज तो छोटे हैं, बच्चे हैं, अभी तेरे को नहीं लग रहा है, बट ए टाइम विल कम जब आपको बहुत सारे डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा. और वो डिसीजन लेने के लिए आपको क्या ज़रूरत होगा? इन्फॉर्मेशन की ज़रूरत होगा. और वो इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ से आएगा, कैसे किया जाएगा, उसके बारे में जो बोला गया है, दैट इज इन दिस सब्जेक्ट, इट इज स्टैटिस्टिक्स. सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू फ्रेंड, I have told you what are the different aspects of statistics. The different aspects, many things have already been told. हाँ, तीनों लास्ट तीनों क्लास पे मैं आपको सब कुछ बता चुके हैं. हाँ, जस्ट आई एम टेकिंग अप द जिस्ट फ्रॉम दैट एंड विद दैट जिस्ट, हाँ, वो जो शॉर्ट बताए थे उससे लेकर उनको लेकर मेरा अगला क्लास होगा. अच्छा, अब देखिए व्हाट इज दैट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू स्टैटिस्टिक्स इज अ स्टडी ऑफ numerical information or information, be it numerical, be it non-numerical, and it is the process. So the total activities, the total process, total functions involved in the process of statistics have been categorized over here. I have told you statistics is a science and art involving the different processes with regards to data and information. What are the different processes? Collection of data, I have already told you. First task is collection of data. Then the second task is scrutinization of data. Collection means someone will go on collecting the different information, maybe visiting door to door, visiting house to house, visiting shop to shop, or exactly in the field of work. That is known as the source, primary data. Achha. Or it may be the data may also be collected from already published source, that is secondary data. That I have already told you. So first task is the collection of data. Second task is scrutinization of data. Scrutinization of data, what is that? Scrutinize करा. देखो जब आप लोगों का जो ICSC का फॉर्म, ISC का फॉर्म जो फिलअप हुआ है, बहुत सारे फॉर्म पे इधर उधर गलती था. क्या गलती है, क्या नहीं है, क्या देना पड़ेगा, क्या नहीं देना पड़ेगा, दैट विल बी डिलीटेड. जो देना है उसको ले लो. Oh, the things which are for our which have some significance and relevance to our objective, that should be taken into account. So that is the process of scrutinization. Then comes grouping of data. You have to take in together. You are collecting different data. आप लोग बहुत सारी डाटा कलेक्ट किए हैं, लेकिन सब एक एक करके याद करोगे तो it is not possible to work properly with the information. तो आप लोग क्या कीजिएगा? You have to group them, and in order to group them, you have to summarize that. Summarize means putting in a short form, summarization. After summarize the data, you will go on presenting. There are different processes of presentation that will be taken up in the later classes, in the coming classes. And after that, analysis. There are good number of analysis, and that is the basic task of you like students. You will be getting different problems on the analysis of data. Okay, say central tendency, deviation, correlation, regression, and many other things are over there. And last one, interpretation of the data. So interpretation of data is not your issue. Interpretation of data is the task of the persons who are using the information. Okay, so this is the total process. So friends, today my area is collection of data, scrutinization of data, grouping of data, and summarization of data. So that is the task. I have taken up an example, and with that example I am going to consider these 4 aspects, 4 functions of the process, first 4 functions of the process of statistics. Which one is that? Collection of data. Say Mr. A, B, C, E, हाँ 5 लड़का लड़की हो, 5 persons को हम बोले हैं, बाबू एक काम करो, तुम, मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव है क्या, कितना लड़का 5 इलाका में कितना लड़का स्कूल में पढ़ता है, ठीक है, लड़का और लड़की, वॉट एवर बी कैंडिडेट्स, हाउ मेनी कैंडिडेट्स एजिंग फ्रॉम 1 to 10 are studying and where? This is my objective. Clear? So I have the objective. What I have told you, statistics involved in these processes to reveal necessary information for decision making. So decision making is our first and foremost task. For the purpose of decision making, we need data, and these data are to be collected and organized and presented and interpreted, and that is the task of statistics. No, I have already told it. Achha, if you have any problem, friend, I have already published 3 episodes on statistics, and in episode 2, some viewers have given me just commented that they are highly impressed and all this, and he wanted to know what is the definition of statistics in full, what is the definition of statistics in a single sentence. So I have done all these things. You please, for your better understanding, you please go through that comment and my reply. Okay, and thank you. Achha, now come, some persons, Mr. A, B and C, D and E, they have been told to take collect the information with regards to the student, with regards to the candidates having the age between the age 1 to 10. Okay? Now that is the data collected. Okay, so my beautiful friends, Mr. Sani, Mr. Prince, Amisha, Manisha और पकड़ लो मोटू, क्या नाम है उसको, महेश करकुला, ये पाँचों माने इंसान, 5 कैंडिडेट्स हैव कलेक्टेड द डाटा. देखो, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So these are the information. So that for better understanding I have done all this. A has collected 9, देखो, एक 9, another 3, another half years of age. Is it in our jurisdiction? No. So we have to delete it. So it is the process of scrutinization. We should not take into this data we should not take this data, this information, this datum into account. हम लोग ये डाटा तो काम पे नहीं लगाएंगे, क्योंकि our objective is to take out the find out the number of students, number of candidates aging from 1 to 10. बाकी देखो 5, 6 and all these are at par our objective, no question of scrutinization. Here do you see 8, 7, 6, 11, 7, 8, 7, 3 months. It is also outside our jurisdiction. So we should, this is the process of scrutinizing. Scrutinization is a process of taking the correct one for our purpose. Okay, scrutinization is the process. Scrutinization क्या है, जो हमारे लिए सही है वही इंफॉर्मेशन हमको लेना है, बाकी इंफॉर्मेशन हमको डिलीट करना है, नहीं लेना है. अच्छा, 13 देखो, 13 is also beyond our jurisdiction because I have our objective is to take the age 1 to 10. Clear? Then 6 चलेगा, इसमें तो जो है एकदम पक्का है, इधर भी 10, 7 or everything right, here also the things are right. Clear? So collection of data has already been done by our 3 beautiful friends. Okay, now we have deleted some data. Why? Some data. So this datum and this datum has been deleted. हम लोग इसको नहीं लेंगे, আমরা এটা নেব না. কেন নেব না? কারণ এগুলো আমাদের jurisdictionের মধ্যে পড়ছে না, আমাদের অবজেক্টিভের মধ্যে পড়ছে না. Now this is the collection. Okay, now so friend, so we have completed the process of collection, we have completed the process of scrutinization. Now I am going to grouping the data. How do you group? Just you see how many data, how many information, what are the quantum of information, 1 to 10 age. Okay, clear? We have to find out first how many candidates are having the age 1, age 2, age 3 and so on up till age 10. Okay, so what is age? This is age. This is age. Clear? What are the age? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So friend, this is the age. Now you see the age 1, age 2, age 3. So this is this age is changing. So this information is changing. So this is known as variable. This age is variable. Just you take it into account. This is known as variable. Variable is the value that changes over time, over phase. Okay. Variable किसको बोला जाता है? Variable वही quantity. Variable is the quantity that goes on varying. Okay, that is known as variable, and that does not change. पकड़ लो, in your class some students are coming. Okay, so our video, 10 persons are daily going through all the episodes. So these are constant number. And some others, and very often it is 150, very often it is 700, very often it is 20. So this is variable in number. Okay, so this is variable. This is variable because the values are changing. Okay, now I have to find out how many of 1 over here. Oh, sorry, one thing is that, friend, here 11 is there. It is also not, it is beyond our jurisdiction. Now 9, 3, 5, 6, how many students, how many candidates are aging 9? How many candidates are of the age of 1? How many of the age of 7? How would you find it out? So you have to, then there is a process of grouping. Okay. Now let us just, I am considering it is 9, it is 3. Okay, first I am taking this part. Okay, first 9. So I have to, this is 9 कितना है? 1. Clear? Now see, then 8. 8 कितना है? 1. Then it is gone. Okay, 9, 8. 2, 10, 3. 2, again 10, again 3. Clear? So friend, so these are already put over here. Now take this part. 3, 7. So it is 3, 7, 1, 7, 1, again 7, 9, 7, 9. Okay. Clear? Friends, this is known as, basically known as tally marks. Okay, tally marks. These are known as tally marks. Clear? Acha. So this line is also gone. This. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Nice. Now 6, 5, 4, 3. 1, 6, 1, 5, 1, 4, and 1, 3. Clear? It is also gone. Then 5, 9, 5, 4. So again 5, 9, again 5, 4. Clear? So it is also gone. It is gone. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, serially. Then 6, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, and 1, 10. 1, 10 completed. Now you see 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 10. 10, after that 8, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 6, 4, and 2. So this part is gone. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, 9. 9 देखो 9 कितना हुआ? 9 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 हो गया. हम इसको ग्रुप करेंगे 5 5 करके. तो I am taking the whole. So it is 9. Clear? So this is we are making the group of 5. Clear? For our better counting. So it is this part, no? 5. Now 7, 5, 4, 3, 1. 7, 5, 3, and 1. Clear? This is gone. Now 12. देखो 12 is beyond our jurisdiction. So 12 should be deleted. 12 should not be taken into account. 9, 3, 1. 9, 3, 1. Again 9, 3. देखो 3 I am taking the group. Okay. 9, 3, 1. 9, 3, 1. Clear? Now here 9, 3, 1 gone. 10, 13 is deleted. 10, 4, 2, 6. 10. 10, it is 4, it is 2, and it is 6. Clear? And now this part, 4, 6, 8, 7, 5, 4, 6, 8, 7, 5, 7, and it is 5. Clear? So friends, we have made necessary grouping of the data, grouping and summarization. Okay, all the data. Now just you see, so how many in class 1? In class 1, देखो, just you, sorry, how many candidates are having the age of 1, 2, 3? So it is 3. It is again in age 2, it is also 3. In 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 also 5, 6 also 5, 7 also 5, 8, 4, 9, 6, and 10, 4. So this is the total number of students. देखो, this is known as frequency. Frequency का मतलब क्या? Frequency refers to, frequency is the concept, refers to the number of times a particular observation occurs. एक observation कितना बार आए हैं, एक observation कितना बार. So take in your class, there are three students naming Suraj. So what is the frequency? The frequency is 3. Clear? So that is the number of times a particular observation occurs. Clear? Just you see. So the total collected materials have been presented in that way. Okay, and it is the process of grouping and summarizing. Just you see that what is the total? 6, 10, 19, 29, 39, 45. This is the total. Our total candidates are 45. Why 45? These 5 students, 5 candidates have collected information of how many? 5 into 10. 5 into 10, it should be 50. But why we are having 45? This is because we have scrutinized some data, and as a result of scrutinization, some information have been disconsidered, has not been considered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just you see, we are very much in our process. Okay. Now this is known as frequency. Age 1 to 10, this is tally marks, and this is frequency. And now if I ask you, how many students are in 1 or less than 1? How many students, but how many candidates are having the age 1 or less than 1? It is 3. Clear? Right? How many candidates are 1 and less than 1? 3. How many candidates are having the age 2 or less? 2 or less. How many? देखो, 2 को कितना है? 3. 1 का कितना है? 6. तो 2 और उसके नीचे कितना होगा? 6. क्लियर? नाउ 3 साल का नीचे कितना? 3 साल और उसके नीचे कितना है? 5 है, और ये है 6, दैट इज 11. 4 साल के नीचे 4 साल और उसके नीचे, 4 साल में कितना है? इन 4 इट इज 5 इन नंबर, बट 4 और उससे नीचे, उसके नीचे 4 and less than 4, 4 or less than 4, how many? It is 16. अच्छा, 5 में कितना है? इन 5 it is 5. So 5 and less than 5 कितना? This plus this 21. 6 में कितना है? 6 में 5 है, but 6 and less than 6, how much? 26. 7 में कितना है? 5. 7 or less than 5, how much? How many? 31. In that way 8 और इसके नीचे 35. क्लियर? 9 और इसके नीचे कितना है? 41. और 10 और उसके नीचे कितना है? 45. So this is known as n. N means the total number of observation, and this is known as cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency less than type, ठीक है. This is the cumulative frequency less than type. Clear? Frequency means, what is frequency? Frequency means number of times a particular observation occurs. These are the numbers of occurrence of each and every quantity. So 1 has occurred 3 times, it is its frequency. 2 3 times, 3 5 times, 4 5 times, 5 5 times, 6 again 5 times, 7 again 5 times, 8 4 times, 10 6 times, and 9 6 times, 10 4 times. So this is the number of times this particular observation occurs. Okay, and now I am asking you, we have to take different decision, no? 5 के अंडर में कितना है? How many students, how many candidates are 5 or below? देखो 5 और below कितना है? 21. ठीक है. अच्छा, this is known as cumulative frequency less than type. Now friend, I am just, if you are asked to find out 10 के ऊपर कितना है, 10 के ऊपर देखो 10 के ऊपर कितना है. अच्छा, वो छोड़ दो, that will be taken up in the next class. So friends, this is the basic way of presentation for the process of grouping and summarization of data. Clear? So this is the I have already, what I have taken up today. Right now I am letting you know in a nutshell. I have already told you statistics is the process of what? Of managing and organizing the information. Managing and organizing. That time I have already utilized organizing and managing. Organizing and managing the data, information. Managing the information. In the why I am organizing and managing the data, what I have to have the data in my hand. The data in my hand, because these have already been collected. It may be collected from any primary source, it may be collected from any secondary sources. Okay, any secondary source. Now the data collected should be scrutinized. Why should I scrutinize? We should scrutinize. स्क्रूटिनाइज का मतलब बाछाईकरण. अच्छा, बंगाली में बोला जाता है बाछाईकरण. हाँ, माने हिंदी में बोला जाएगा चुनना. हम किसको किसको चुनेंगे? जो मेरा काम पे लगेगा उसको ही चुना जाएगा. ठीक है, तो पकड़ लो. एक अंडर 15 एक फुटबॉल कोचिंग कैंप हो रहा है, तो उसको किसको किसको लिया जाएगा? हाँ, जो 15 का अंदर हो, 15 के ऊपर जो है उसको तो छटाई किया जाएगा. सम स्टूडेंट्स हैव कम, सम कैंडिडेट्स हैव कम हु आर एजिंग मोर देन 15. So these have been deleted. These candidates have been deleted. This is the process of scrutinization. So scrutinization has got different characters. There are different issues with which different measuring rod with which we will scrutinize, but here I am scrutinizing only with regards to age, because age is our focal point. Okay, now this is the process of managing and organizing information, and in this process of organizing and managing, the first task is collection of data. Data have already been collected by my beautiful friends. मेरा अपना जो अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स है वो लोग ये सब कलेक्शन करके लेकर आए हैं. तो लेकिन जो कलेक्शन करने का टाइम पे बच्चे लोग क्या किए, थोड़ा ज़्यादा कमती उम्र का भी ले लिए, किसी का बड़ा ज़्यादा उम्र 10 से भी ज़्यादा ले लिए और 1 से भी कमती ले लिए. तो दैट विल नॉट सर्व माई पर्पस. सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम उसको बाछाई करेंगे, छांट देंगे. ओके, हम छांटे हैं 50 कैंडिडेट्स, 50 इंफॉर्मेशन they have collected. Out of that 5 have been deleted. 5 को बाछाई कर दिए, छांट दिए हैं. तो हमारा हाथ में कितना रहा? 45. ये 45 को हम इस तरीक़े से प्रेजेंट किए. हाँ, क्योंकि एक एक करके बाबू, अरे 1 साल का उम्र का कितना है, 9 साल का उम्र का कितना है. रुकिए सर, रुकिए हम कर लेते हैं. 9 साल का पकड़ लिए. एक इधर 9 नहीं है, इधर 1 है, 2 इधर है, 3, ठीक है, 4, हाँ ठीक है सर, इधर 5 6 सर 6 गो है. अरे ये तुमको रेडी करते करते तुम्हारा ट्रेन कहाँ चला जाएगा? हावड़ा पहुँच जाएगा. ये तो कमती डाटा है बाबू, ये तो सिर्फ 50 गो डाटा है. जब 100 होगा, जब 1000 होगा, 1000 होगा तब आप क्या करोगे? इसीलिए क्या करेंगे, वी हैव टू फॉलो द साइंटिफिक मेथड्स। मतलब बहुत अच्छा है, हम काम इसको कितना नंबर है 1 से लेकर 10 तक, चलो ऑल दीज आर पुट ओवर हियर, दीज आर द वेरिएबल्स बिकॉज द वैल्यू आर चेंजिंग 1 2 3 4 5 ओके, and now I have made this tally marks. As a result, we have tried to group that, and as a result of grouping, what we have summarized that this is the frequency, and the summarized form data, this is the frequency. As a result of summarization, we are getting two things. We are getting the frequency. Clear? Now that is frequency is the number of times a particular observation occurs. And इससे साथ साथ और एक हमको एक डिसीजन लेना है, 10 साल के उम्र कमती में कितना है इतना, 9 साल के नीचे कितना होगा इतना, और तो ये सब हम लोग कर सकते हैं. So this is the basic process of the collection, scrutinization, grouping and summarization of data. Clear? So friend, today I have taken up a discrete variable. The data देखो, अभी one thing is that we have collected here this information 9, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7, 9. Okay, these are known as discrete data. Discrete, meaning the data which is not continuous, which is isolated, which is single. But tomorrow, in the next episode, I will take up the presentation of that in case of continuous data. Clear? So thank you very much today. Friends, go through the subject properly, minutely and very minutely. It is of your very important purpose. I mean it for MCQs. These will come for your great use in your examination and for the overall understanding of the topic too. So thank you, friends. Stay tuned with us. Okay, thanks.